Hello, and let me introduce myself. My name is Liang Xingyan, otherwise known as Elsa, and I'm the group leader for water. We, the water group, will be sharing about the co-interior angles and the exterior angle inequalities given for polygons. Who is in the water group? Elsa, Hui, Lucas, Karfai, Linghui, and Jingshen. Now I will gladly invite our second speaker.
Now I'll be explaining what does exterior angle mean. It means the angle between a side of a rectilinear figure and an adjacent side extended outwards. Now I'll be explaining what does interior angle mean. It means the inner of the two angles formed where two sides of a polygon come together, and any of the four angles formed in the area between a pair of parallel lines when a third line cut them.
The interior angle of a pentagon is 108 degrees each. To get this answer, you would have to find the sum of the polygon itself. To find out the sum, you would have to multiply 180 to the number of sides in the polygon, then subtract 2. For the interior angles, divide your answer by the amount of sides you have in your polygon. In the case of a pentagon, it would be 540 divided by 5. It will total up to 108 degrees for each angle. The exterior angles are basically 180 subtract an interior angle, which in this case would be 108. 180 minus 108 is 72 degrees.
Thank you, Lucas. The interior angle for a heptagon is 128.57 degrees for each arc after being rounded to two decimal places. To find the sum, you have to simply multiply 180 to the number of sides in the polygon after you minus 2. You will get 900 degrees. Proceed to getting the interior. Just divide it by 7, which would result in 128.57 degrees for each. The exterior angle is 51.42 degrees after rounded up to two decimal places. To get the exterior angle, minus 1 interior angles from 180 and you will get 51.42 degrees. I would like to pass the mic to Jingshen.
Thank you, Kafai. I will be talking about a nonagon. The interior angle for a nonagon is 140 degrees because the sum of the polygon nonagon is 1260 degrees. And to get the one of the interior angle, you will have to divide it by 9 and you would get 140 degrees. The exterior angle for the polygon nonagon is 20 degrees because 180 minus 140, which is the interior angle, is 140 degrees.
Thank you, Jingshen. I will be presenting about a hexagon. The interior angle of the polygon is 150 degrees as the sum of the polygon itself totals up to 900 degrees. To get the interior, just divide the sum by the amount of the side of polygon has. The exterior angle is 30 degrees because to get the angle, you would have to minus 1 of the interior angle from 180, which would result to 30 degrees. And I would like to pass the mic to Linghui.
Okay, now I'll be explaining what does interior angle mean. The interior angle of a decagon is 144 degrees because to get it, you have to find the sum of the decagon itself. To find the sum, you will have to multiply 180 and number of sides in the polygon, and for the decagon, you get 180 multiplied by h, which is 1440 degrees. To get the interior, we would have to divide the sum by the amount of side in the polygon, which would be 144 divided by 10, which result is 144 degrees. Now I'll be explaining what does exterior angle mean. The exterior angle of the decagon is 36 degrees because to get this, you would simply have to minus the interior angles by 180. For this polygon, it would be 180 minus 144, which is 36 degrees. Thank you, and I would like to pass the mic to Elsa now.
Thank you, Linghui. I will continue with an octagon. The interior angle of an octagon is 135, and I'm pretty sure they explained why. The sum is 1080 and an octagon has 8 sides. Minus 2, 6. divided by 8, and it resulted in 135 degrees for the interior angle. The exterior angle is 45 degrees because 180 minus 135 is 45 degrees. I would like to end this note with a good note. Thank you. Bye.